Hey team! Welcome Game Changers! In this exclusive episode, 67 divided by 67, which equals 1, and 67 divided by 67 equals 1. Now we have this problem, 1 divided by 1, which equals 1. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operations, we must do this division, then this division, and at last this division. So we have first this division, 67 divided by 67 equals 1. So we have 1 divided by 67 divided by 67, and we can write this part as 1 over 67 divided by 67. So we must keep the first fraction 1 over 67 and change division to multiplication times. Then flip the second fraction 1 over 67, which equals 1 over 4,489. And this is our final answer for this problem. Thanks for watching. Hit like and subscribe for more adventures.